You're at a party, laughing maybe a little too loud and telling a story that's perhaps a little too long, when suddenly you catch yourself. Oh God, am I being too much? You shrink back, you dial down the volume, and spend the rest of the night wondering if anyone else noticed. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. That voice telling you to tone it down, it's not yours. It's the ghost of every teacher who shushed you, every parent and family member who told you to act like a lady, and every ex who said that you were a lot. But here's the thing. Your too much is your golden ticket. That loud laugh, that wild imagination, that unapologetic joy, that's your inner child begging you to let her out and play. And gorgeous, it's time to RSVP yes to her party. Hey there, love rebel. Christy Holt here, your happiness hussy and recovered good girl. Welcome to Unstuck, 30 days to rewrite your love story. Repeat after me. I am the plot twist. Now let's freaking go. Joy isn't a luxury. It's your birthright. But somewhere along the way, you might have learned to trade it for approval. You might have learned to shrink your sparkle, to mute your magic, and to tiptoe through life like you were auditioning for the role of acceptable. Trauma may well have taught you that being too much was actually dangerous. But here's today's shift. You're too much. It's not a flaw. It's actually a fucking superpower. That little girl inside of you, the one who danced in rainstorms and wore tutus to the grocery store, she's not gone. She's hiding, buried under the shoulds and supposed tos. Trauma taught her that play is frivolous and joy is selfish, but bullshit. Play is rebellion. Let her out. She's not here to be digestible. She's here to live. Think of your inner child like a firefly. She's luminous, curious, and unapologetically herself. But somewhere along the way, you put her in a jar, screwed on the lid real tight, and tucked her away in the attic. You told yourself that it was for her own good, that the world wasn't safe for fireflies. But the truth is, the world needs your light. And more importantly, you need your light. So let's reframe this too much. Too loud? No, you're magnetic. Too messy? Nah, you're creative. Too intense? No freaking way. You, my friend, are passionate. Your inner child isn't asking for permission. She's asking for protection. She's asking you to be the adult she never had. The one who says, you're safe here. You're loved here. You're enough here. Your body's joy meter is communicating with you. That flutter in your chest when you dance in your kitchen. The way your shoulders relax when you laugh so hard that you accidentally snort. Those are signs. That's your nervous system saying, this is what safety feels like. Joy isn't frivolous. It's fucking rebellion. It's your body's way of saying we're alive. We're here. And we are done apologizing. For today's rebellious assignment, I'm going to invite you to host a play date with your inner child. First off, dance it out. Go ahead and blast Girls Just Want to Have Fun and dance like no one's watching. Number 2, get messy. Finger paint, bake cookies, or build a pillow fort. Let yourself create without worrying for a moment about the outcome. Or maybe you're going to choose to rewatch childhood favorites. Go ahead, pop some popcorn and revisit Labyrinth or whatever movie made you feel magical as a kid. And if you have a park nearby, head on down and swing like you're going to launch yourself into the sky. I mean, seriously, swing so high, it feels like you're flying. Just let yourself feel that pure, unbridled joy. Because every time you let your inner child out to play, you're telling yourself, we're home. We're done auditioning. Before we wrap up this episode, let's add again to your toolkit. For the fuck it list today, you know the drill. We're going to add on toning myself down for others. So write that down, head into the woods, scream it out, burn it in a bonfire, your call. And then head over to the Rebellious AF in Love playlist for Girls Just Want to Have Fun and the rest of the tracks that'll make you feel like you're the main character of your own damn life. Links in the show notes. And if the idea of meditating makes you roll your eyes, I've got you. My Sweary AF meditation series is for people who don't think they can meditate or just don't want to. No crystal bowls, no woo-woo vibes, just F-bombs and deep breaths. It's a 5-minute rebellion of laughter and maybe a few tears. Perfect for anyone who needs to finally exhale. You can grab it at the link below, knowing that you'll laugh, you'll cry, and you'll finally exhale. Next up, it is time to stop treating your existence like a fucking apology. I know trauma might have taught you to shrink, but you are not a guest in your life. You are the host. I love you. Now let's go do some epic shit, shall we? If this hit like a 2 a.m. epiphany, do me a solid. Subscribe. Leave a hell yes below. Share this with someone who's done settling. And grab your plot twist toolkit at loveunstuck.com. Your love story is already rewriting itself. Now go choose yourself like your happiness depends on it, because it does.